Hey, very good morning, students. Let us look into the next topic of implementation using PROM. Okay, given are the two functions. F1 is there are two variables A0, A1, which is 1, comma 2. F2 is 0, 1, 3. So the input variables for the two function is A0, A1, A0, A1. So I've taken the inputs as A0 and A1. The outputs are functions F1 and F2. Okay, since there are two inputs, there are four combinations 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. Let us see the function f1. F1 is minterm 1, comma 2. So in the place of 1 and in the place of 2, we need to write 1, 1 high, rest is low. Whereas in function f2 is 0, 1, 3. So in the place of 0, 1 and 3 I have written high. The other one is low. So first fill the truth table with the given function. After filling the truth table, we need to implement this truth table using PROM. So we know what is PROM, programmable ROM, which has a fixed array, AND array, and programmable OR array. If I say fixed AND array, this fixed AND array is obtained using decoder. Suppose I have two inputs A0, A1, then I need to use a decoder called two input decoder. So as you know, decoder has n inputs, 2 per n outputs. So two input decoder will have two inputs and four outputs. So see the implementation circuit. Based on the number of inputs, we need to decide on the decoder. Since there are two inputs A0, A1, we are taking two input decoder. You know, two input decoder will have four combinations 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Okay. Now this is your fixed AND array. This is your fixed AND array. What is that we are going to program is your OR array. So for OR array, number of OR gates we need is depending upon the output functions. So there are two outputs, F1 and F2. So two gates, one is for F1, other one is for F2. For F1, what is the output for F1? Minterm 1 and 2. So in the place of 1, connect the fuse. In the place of 2, connect the fuse. So this will be the programmable OR gate. So this OR gate is F1, which has 1 and 2. The next OR gate is F2. Now what are the minterms for F2? 0, 1, 3. So in the place of 0, in the place of 1 and in the place of 3, put a cross mark, connect the fuse so that input will pass through the OR gate. So I have missed writing F1 here and F2 here. This is how you implement the given function using PROM with fixed AND array. This fixed AND array is obtained using decoder and programmable OR array is obtained using this. Programmable means I can program, either I can connect any one of the inputs. Here my F1 is 1, 2, F2 is 0, 1 and 3. This is how you need to design a given function using PROM. Thank you.